Your truck is a set of complex elements brought together in a single system. You don't necessarily pay attention to it since it demands little or no attention from you. But be aware that a very small malfunction can have consequences that can cost you very quickly. Checking your levels, paying attention to simple components, can help you avoid or at least warn you about reaching disproportionate expenses. Checking the levels must be carried out with the engine cold and on level ground. Remove the oil dipstick from its sheath. Once out, wipe it off with a paper towel. Slide it back in. And finally, take it out again. Look at the gauge at the end. The gauge is ribbed at the end. This is the part that provides the image of the oil level in your engine. The latter will be considered optimal when it is located in the middle of this part. Be careful, it must not be above the maximum level. You risk engine failure. If you find that your level is low, open the filler cap and add some oil. We are talking about a few ounces, no more. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Insert your gauge again, which you will have wiped beforehand, to check the new level. Repeat the filling operation until you reach the optimal level. Coolant is as important as oil in an engine, vital. It is very important to check this level frequently. Open the plug located above the coolant radiator. Remove the dipstick from its sheath. Once out, wipe it off with a paper towel, slide it back in, and finally take it out again. If you notice that your level is low, add a little coolant. Again, be careful to reach the maximum level indicated without going above it, and never do this with a hot engine. The brake fluid reservoir also contains level graduations. When your level drops, this simply means wear on your brake linings. With the wear being compensated by the pistons, these come out further and consequently enlarge the brake circuit, allowing it to accommodate more fluid. The wear being compensated by the pistons is what causes the level to drop. If the level is below the maximum, correct it by adding fluid. Also take advantage of this time to add washer pump fluid to the tank, which helps keep the windshield and rear window clean. It is an important safety element to keep a clean, unobstructed field of vision. This operation must be carried out on a regular basis in order to keep your vehicle functioning optimally. Operation complete.